Have you ever had the sneaking suspicion that reality is a little glitchy? Like when your phone autocorrects "love you" to "leave me," and suddenly you're explaining quantum physics to your ex. Well, today we're diving into theories that could explain those moments and everything else. Because, my friends, we might just be living in a simulation or a holographic universe. Let's explore these mind-bending ideas in a way even the simulation's developers would approve of. Let's start with the basics. Simulation theory suggests that our entire reality could be a sophisticated computer simulation created by an advanced civilization. Think the Matrix, but with fewer leather trench coats and way more Wi-Fi issues. Then there's the holographic universe theory, the idea that our three-dimensional universe is actually projected from a two-dimensional surface, like the universe's version of a PowerPoint presentation. If you've ever felt like your life is two-dimensional, this might explain why. Now, don't let the word holographic fool you. We're not saying the universe is some cheap carnival trick. It's more like the universe is playing a cosmic game of hide-and-seek with its information. Physicists Leonard Susskind and Gerard T. Hooft proposed that all the information in our universe could be stored on a two-dimensional surface. Think of it like your phone screen. It looks three-dimensional when you're scrolling Instagram, but deep down, it's just a bunch of pixels. Sorry to break it to you, your selfies are flat, and so might be the universe. Nick Bostrom's simulation hypothesis takes things up a notch. He argues that if advanced civilizations can create simulations indistinguishable from reality, odds are we're living in one. Essentially, if you can imagine it, it's probably already been programmed. It's like when you're playing The Sims and your little character starts wondering why they keep walking into walls. Spoiler alert, it's because you're bad at video games. If this is a simulation or hologram, it raises some pretty deep questions. Are we real? Is free will an illusion? Why do we keep ordering mocha lattes instead of saving for retirement? Philosophers have debated these ideas for centuries. René Descartes famously said, "I think, therefore I am." But if he had a Netflix subscription, he might have said, "I stream, therefore I exist." Now let's talk science. One of the weirdest pieces of evidence for these theories comes from quantum mechanics. The double-slit experiment showed that particles behave differently when observed, almost as if they're aware they're being watched. Creepy, right? It's like the universe's version of The Office, always breaking the fourth wall. Plus, some scientists argue that the universe has a resolution limit, like pixels on a screen. So if reality ever starts buffering, you'll know why. Pop culture has been all over these ideas for years. The Matrix, Inception, Westworld. They've all explored the concept of simulated or layered realities. And let's not forget The Truman Show, where Jim Carrey's life was one big staged production. Honestly, if this is a simulation, I'd like to request a better scriptwriter for my personal plotline. Less drama, more vacation scenes, please. Of course, not everyone's on board with these theories. Critics argue that simulation theory is unfalsifiable. You can't prove or disprove it, which makes it more of a philosophical question than a scientific one. As for the holographic universe, some physicists think it's just a useful mathematical tool, not a literal description of reality. They're basically saying, calm down, nerds, it's not that deep. So what if these theories are true? Does it even matter? On one hand, it might mean we're part of something bigger, a cosmic video game perhaps. On the other hand, if this is a simulation, can someone please patch the bugs? My car keys keep disappearing, and I'm starting to think it's not me, it's the code. Scientists are already exploring these ideas further. Advances in quantum computing, AI, and virtual reality could bring us closer to understanding or even proving these theories. But let's be real, if we ever do discover the truth, it'll probably be from a rogue intern in some advanced civilization accidentally hitting reply all. So, are we living in a simulation? Is the universe a hologram? The truth is, we don't know. But pondering these questions reminds us how mysterious and incredible our reality is, whether it's programmed or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Are we in a simulation, or is this all just a cosmic joke? Either way, I hope it's a funny one.